Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do the formatting on Android phones. So whether you have an external drive such as SD card, USB disk, or even a large hard drive, HDD or SDD, you can format all those types of drives on your Android phones. So the first step is scroll up and find the setting button. Click on setting, and in those you just click a storage button. And in here you see there is a portable storage, and below the portable storage is a USB storage. So USB storage is an external hard drive you just plug in. And one thing you have to notice before doing the formatting is, if you have any files in the external hard drive, you must move it out or back it up on your phone before doing the formatting, because formatting will erase everything on this external hard drive. Therefore, all the files you stored here will be lost. So you have to move those things. Go to your phone first. So in this case, I moved my two pictures into the downloads folder first, which is on my internal storage. OK. Now my USB storage has been cleared, and I can start formatting. So to start formatting, click the three dots on the top right, and in those settings, you click on the fifth one, so storage setting. In here, you can starting to see there is format buttons in the left side. So you can just click on the format button, and here it warns you again. So here it says formatting will erase existing content of the USB drive. To avoiding losing content, back it up to another USB drive or device. This is really important, guys. So in case you're still not sure, so I have to warn you again. You have to back all the stuff before doing the formatting. Otherwise, you could lose some really important files. So after you are ready, just click the Format USB drive button. It takes a few seconds to format the drive normally. Okay, it's already done now, so you can just click on the Done button. And now I'm gonna show you how to put those pictures back to this external hard drives. So just open a file manager on your phone and click the download folder. You can see those two pictures, so just long press, select these two pictures and move to the external storage, so which is this one. Now, okay, that's done. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe and like button. I will see you next time.